Let's open Lorcana, Rise of the Floodborn. I hate these boxes. Always trying to open up. Oh, at least they made it steel proof. Oh, that box is done. Oh wait, there's a battle just to get into it. Shoot this over. There are the cards. There's the Mickey ones. Oh, they're just warped. Let's do this. And someone can have the code. Chip. Ratican. Huh? That's a nice card. I like these foil cards. They're nice. Oh, I cut the enchanted card. Nothing to gain. Let's destroy Major on Queen of Hearts, the Prince, Pain, Lady, King Louis, Hercules. It's funny, I just seen someone pull that online. Seen someone pull that on YouTube too. So they say enchanted cards are 1 in every 120 packs in every set, no matter what they do. I never seen anybody pull one out of a starter box. Piglet, Winnie the Pooh, Minnie Mouse, Hypnotize, Hooks, Prince Navin, Minnie Mouse, Lawrence, Cookie, Pack Tactics, Shere Khan, Minnie Mouse zipping around. Huh. Last pack. Ooh, I got a rare foil card. If you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share.